Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a common check engine light trouble code, P2097, post-catalyst fuel trim system to rich bank 1. If you've got this code, don't worry. I'll walk you through what it means, what causes it, and how to fix it. Let's get started. BTC P2097 stands for post-catalyst fuel trim system to rich bank 1. This code is triggered when the downstream bank 1 oxygen sensor registers a rich condition. The most common symptoms of a P2097 include a lit check engine light, poor engine performance, and a reduced fuel economy. Check engine light illuminated, decreased fuel efficiency, rough idling, poor acceleration, engine misfires in some cases. Potential for a very hot catalytic converter. To save more money on car expenses, purchase an engine code eraser by clicking the description link below. The exhaust system begins at the engine, combustion chambers, and runs along the undercarriage of the vehicle, eventually ending with a visible tailpipe. If you have a small leak around the corner, get some exhaust putty to seal it up. First, get a sandpaper and a wet wipe to clean the leaking area for better application. Stir the paste well to activate it. Apply and press the paste to seal the leaking area. After the application, do not start the engine, because the positive pressure from the exhaust will blow out the paste. Let it cure for 2 to 24 hours. Depending on the external temperature, the hotter it is, the quicker it will cure. That means, you can use something like a hairdryer to heat it up and make it cure faster. Exhaust pipes are made out of rolled steel, and there is a welded seam on it. Like this one, the seam will often rot. A large leak first. Get a sandpaper and a wet wipe to clean the leaking area for better application. Get the heat wrap out and put it in the water for about 30 to 40 seconds to start the activation process. Then remove it and squeeze out any excess water. Wrap it around the area and overlap it a couple inches on each side. Repeat the process 3 or 4 times, then squeeze it to make the resin go off through it. Start the car and let it run for 30 minutes, so the heat cures it and makes a permanent fix. This oxygen sensor is located right before the catalytic converter. Bank 1 is on the side with the cylinder number 1. Visually, check the oxygen sensor's electrical connections, wire harness, and metal tabs for any damages. If the damages are found, then replace the oxygen sensor. After addressing all potential issues, use the OBD scanner to clear the P2096 code. Take your car for a test drive and monitor the live data to ensure the code doesn't return. If it does, recheck your work or consult a professional. And that's it. You've successfully diagnosed and fixed the P2097 trouble code. Remember, patience and thoroughness are key. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more DIY automotive guides. See you next time.